Care. To think something is important and feel interested or worried about it. I care about brushing my teeth so my dentist doesn't faint. Jewelry. Shiny and pretty things like necklaces, rings, and bracelets that people wear to look fancy. Grandma wears so much jewelry that she jingles like a Christmas tree when she walks. Message. A piece of information sent from one person to another. I got a message from my dog saying, woof. Surprise. Something you didn't expect to happen. My sandwich had a surprise inside, a crayon. 14. The number that comes after 13 and before 15. 14 marshmallows jumped into my hot chocolate. What a day. Connection. A feeling that you understand and like someone or something. My dog and I have a strong connection, we both love snacks. Attraction. A special liking or interest in someone because of how they look or act. The attraction between them started when she saw him trip over thin air and then bow like he meant to do it. Secret. Hidden or private, something not meant for everyone to know. I have a secret candy stash under my pillow.
Special.
Different in a good way or important. My birthday hat had a special button that played music. Dear. Loved or liked very much. My dear puppy chewed my shoe, and I forgave him instantly. Say. To speak words out loud. I say, hello, to my cereal every morning. Give. To let someone have something you have. She gives her cat a tiny sweater. The cat hisses, which obviously means she loves it. Take. To grab or carry something away. I will take the last cookie before anyone notices. Go. To move from one place to another. I go to the fridge like it's my second home. Write. To use letters or symbols to share ideas on paper or a screen. I write faster when cookies are promised as a reward. Read. To look at words and understand what they say. I read a joke so funny, my juice shot out of my nose.